Okay, let's take a look at question number 10. The directions say to solve on the whiteboard, show your work, and check your answer. I have this story problem here, and so we need to read it and then find our important information, jail our details, and then come up with a plan, write out an expression, and then solve the expression. So let's see here. Raj combined white sand with black sand to make 1/4 pound mixture of sand. Raj then put an equal amount of sand mixture into each of 5 vases. All of Raj's sand mixture went into the vases. How much sand was in each vase? Well, let's see here. If I could color on this, I can't, but if I could, I would go back through and I would highlight the things that are important in this story so that I knew what information I needed in order to solve my problem. So Raj combined white sand and black sand to make 1/4 of a pound. That's important. He made 1/4 of a pound of this sand mixture. He then put equal amounts, that's important, equal amounts of the sand mixture into 5 vases. All right, so he took that 1/4 of a pound. Let's see here, I'm going to grab this color. He took that 1/4 of a pound and he divided it equally among 5 of the vases. Okay, he used every bit of the mixture that he has. Now we've got to find out how much sand was in each vase. So here is our expression. This is our plan that we're going to follow to solve this problem. 1/4 divided by 5. Well, right away I see I've got division and I've got fractions. So in my head, I'm thinking KFC. That's a terrible F, but that's okay. KFC. I'm going to, oh, I see something. I've got this whole number 5. I need to change my whole number into a fraction. So I'm going to rewrite this so it's 1/4 divided by 5/1. Now let's listen to KFC and follow keep, flip, change. Let's keep our first fraction. Grab a different color here. I'm going to keep it 1/4. I'm going to flip my second fraction. 5/1 becomes 1/5. And then I'm going to change my operation from division to multiplication. Remember, when we divide with fractions, it's like multiplying by the reciprocal. Okay, so let's multiply our numerators. 1 times 1 is 1. Multiply our denominators. 4 times 5 is 20. My final couple steps, I'm just going to make sure I don't have improper fraction. I'm going to make sure I'm in simplest form. It looks like I've got all of that down. So 1/20th, let's see here, how am I going to label this, of a pound. Okay, LBS. Or I should say LB of a pound. Yeah, let me erase the S part. So it's going to be 1/20th of a pound goes in each of the vases. Check your work on your whiteboard. If you made a mistake or an error, that's okay. That's how we learn. Go back to your whiteboard and change your whiteboard so that it looks like mine.